So dear students, this is your chapter number 2, data entry and keyboarding skills. So this is the part 1 of this video, and now in this video we will discuss about the data entry tool. So what is the most important data entry tool? As you know, that is keyboard. Means in earlier days the medium of communication was just only language, but with the advent of computer technology there are so many different ways of communication. So in computer, for communication means to enter data into computer, what can we do? We can use any input device. So there are so many input devices. For example, there is a keyboard. There is the most important used device is keyboard. Secondly is the mouse and joystick and many pointing devices also. But the most important device that is used for data entry is the keyboard. So we all use keyboards and we are aware with the keyboard that the most important keyboard is and the standard keyboard is the QWERTY keyboard. So why QWERTY? Because the alphabets are started with QWERTY. This is the first line of the alphabets in keyboard. So keyboard is the basic input device that is used to enter data by pressing keys. Means in keyboard, as we can see, we press, there are different types of keys and we press any key to enter data in computer. So in keyboard all the keys are not in the alphabetical order, means these keys are not in the order from A to Z. Here you can see this is the first Q, after that W, E, R, T and Y. This is not the alphabetical order. This is the QWERTY order because this is a standard QWERTY keyboard. So why this order is adopted? The reason of this order, QWERTY order, is to make the data entry fast. Means in this way we can enter data fastly instead of an alphabetical order. So here you can see this is the standard keyboard. This standard keyboard has 104 keys. So next talk about what are the different kinds of keys in a keyboard. So generally we can categorize the keys in alphanumeric keys, numeric keys and function keys and punctuation keys, special keys, navigation keys, combination keys and toggle keys. So let's discuss each in detail on the keyboard. So first kind of key, that is alphanumeric key. So in this keyboard you can see the alphanumeric keys are from 1 to these types of keys, means 1 to up to 0 and A to Z, means QWERTY up to here M. These are the alphanumeric keys here on this keyboard. And next, numeric keys. What are the numeric keys? Especially in the numeric keypad. Here also are numeric keys, that's why this combination is called as alphanumeric keys, but now there is a separate portion in the keyboard that is called as that is called as numeric keypad. This one is the numeric keypad. This numeric keypad is used to enter numeric digits fastly. So for banking and accounts we use generally numeric digits for data entry. That's why this is used for banking and accounts and numeric data entry. And next type of keys are the punctuation keys. Punctuation keys are like here in this keyboard you can see semicolon, here comma, full stop, and these are punctuation keys on the keyboard. And there is also brackets and curly brackets, both types of brackets. These are punctuation keys, and plus symbol, minus symbol, and equal to sign here, these are also the punctuation keys in the keyboard. And next type of keys are function keys. So which are function keys? Function keys are from on the topmost bar of the keyboard from F1 to F12. These are function keys, and function keys are used for special types of functions to perform in different program. Now special keys. So what are special keys? Special keys are used to control the document, and these are the of specific type, means shift key, here this is shift key, and control key, and these are the escape key here on the topmost corner of the keyboard. These are special keys. And delete key here, and Windows key, and the menu key are the special keys. And navigation keys. Navigation keys are used to navigate through the document. Means in a document we need to navigate from one place to another. So arrow keys, and page up, page down, and end keys also. End keys, that is the navigation keys. Next, combination keys. What are the combination keys? Combination keys are used with the combination of other keys to create shortcut commands. Here this is shift key and control key. These are the combination keys. And next is toggle key. So what are toggle keys? Toggle keys, caps lock key and num lock. Here you can see num lock, that is called as toggle key. So toggle key, they are used to turn computer feature on and off. Means these kinds of keys will be enabled by pressing first time and will be disabled by pressing second time. So we discussed about the categories and types of keys in keyboard. So now we discuss about how a typist perform typing. Have you seen any person who is typing using the keyboard? So he generally does not look into the keyboard, means he directly looks the document and on the screen. So how is it possible? This is possible just by the practice. Means after a rigorous training and practice, we can do this type of typing without watching the or looking into the keys of keyboard. So this is actually possible with the help of rigorous training and with the help of muscle memory. After a long practice, anyone can type like this, and this is called as touch typing. Means using touch typing, this is the fastest method and error-free method for typing. So now we discuss about the functions of some important keys in our keyboard. So first is called as Windows key. So Windows key looks like a 4-pane Windows. So this is used to open start menu on the computer. And second is spacebar key. Spacebar key is used to provide a space. This is space. If we press this spacebar key, then one character space will be created. Tab key is used to provide default space, means we set a space, means we can create space more than one character with the help of tab menu on the MS Word. Backspace key is removes the text from the behind, and caps lock key used to type uppercase letters. Uppercase means capital letters. A, B, C, D is like this. Uppercase letters are used with the help of caps lock key. So caps lock key is a toggle key. And shift key is used with, this is the combination key, with this is used with another keys to create shortcuts, same as control key. And alt key is also used for the shortcut keys with the help of other keys. And here it is arrow key. Arrow key is used to navigate through the document from left, right, up and down. And next is escape key. Escape key is used to enter the current program. So next we see another key, that is enter key. So enter key is used to send cursor to the next line or insert new line and complete a process. After that, print screen. Print screen is used to capture the screenshot. And menu key performs the right click. And delete key is used to delete the space to the right side of the text. And numlock, this is also a toggle key. It could be enabled or disabled. So we can enable the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard. And this is the end key. End key moves the cursor to the end of the line, screen or document. So it was all about the keyboard. In the next video we will discuss about the mouse and types of mouse and pointing devices. So thank you.